everyone. Here I will present about making fried rice. Let's follow. First, materials telebius. Preparation of grinding species. First, the no salt. Secondly, add the salts. Then garlic. Lastly, chili. Then we fry it. After smooth. Next, we take the frying pan. Then add a little oil. Turn on medium heat. Put the spices into the hot oil. Stir well. Then add the eggs. Mix well. When everything is mixed, add the rice. Mix well. Finally, add flavoring to tasty. Mix well. Don't forget to tasty. Stir until cooked. Then turn off the stove. Then put the rice into a container. Pour the rice into a plate. Add cucumber. Add cabbage. Add tomatoes. Fried rice is ready. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.